Turmeric, the golden spice of India, is the main substance used in Indian cuisines. It is also the most powerful herb on earth and has got the greatest research. Let us discuss about this golden spice. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. The scientific name of turmeric is Curcuma longa. It is grown in India and Southeast Asian countries. Its antioxidants have got many medicinal values. Curcuminoid, a compound available in turmeric, provides several health benefits for humans. Apart from that, curcuminoid is antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-carcinogenic and anti-mutagenic. Since centuries, the Indian tradition is well versed with the uses of this herb. Also, the tradition describes the turmeric benefits for one's complete health. Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicines use turmeric as a vital herb. Also, India is the largest producer and largest exporter of turmeric. Even the United States has got patent rights on turmeric earlier, but India has retained it. Here are the uses of turmeric. If we include 1 gram of turmeric in our daily diet, it produces the daily requirements of 26% of manganese and 16% iron. Turmeric contains fiber, magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Turmeric digests the food which we eat and improvises health. Indian and Chinese medications use turmeric as an anti-inflammatory agent. This is for thousands of years. Turmeric water benefits in several ways. To a glassful of water, add a pinch of turmeric and honey. This provides antioxidants when consumed daily in the morning. Also, it provides immunity for the body. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, a powerful compound of turmeric, reduces inflammation. Also, curcumin benefits in the treatment of arthritis. It helps in the development of the immunity system and helps in eliminating joint pains. Turmeric is natural and safe to use, unlike the other pain-killing medicines. According to a study, osteoarthritis patients can have a significant pain reduction. Consuming curcumin 200 mg per day can make this possible. Curcumin prevents the protein release, which helps in reducing anti-inflammation and pain. In fact, curcumin has got strong anti-inflammatory properties. They are useful in treating cancer. Turmeric is good in antioxidants. Turmeric cleans up the yellow radicals, eliminates peroxidation and reduces iron deficiency in the human body. It has also got qualities of improving the memory. Turmeric for weight loss. Turmeric increases the rate of metabolism. Because of this, it prevents fat and makes the body to absorb more calories. This helps to gain energy. Turmeric helps for healthy eyes. Curcumin in turmeric eliminates blindness, chronic eye diseases and other eye-related problems. This is according to a recent study. Turmeric eliminates heart diseases. The antioxidant properties of turmeric helps in improving heart health. The curcumin in turmeric reduces the serum cholesterol levels for diabetic patients. Also helps in improving heart health. According to studies, turmeric benefits in the treatment of chest-related issues. Indian and Chinese medicine have implemented the same. This herb helps in reducing obesity. This is because it reduces cholesterol density. Also increases the good cholesterol HDL levels. Curcumin is one of the main reasons for eliminating heart diseases. Curcumin helps in reducing cholesterol levels for the patients having coronary syndrome. Turmeric is a good immunity booster. Turmeric contains a substance, lipopolysaccharide, which boosts the immunity in the human body. The antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties of turmeric strengthens the immune system. A strong immune system helps in eliminating cold, cough and flu. Also, one can benefit by the consumption of turmeric milk daily. Benefits of turmeric milk include relief from cold, cough and flu. Turmeric helps in healing. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent. It helps in healing the wounds quickly on applying the same. Also, turmeric eliminates psoriasis and other skin diseases. Turmeric prevents Alzheimer's. The main reason for Alzheimer's disease are cognitive disorders. Removal of plaque and oxygen flow improvises the polymer for brain health. Turmeric prevents the development of Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric improves digestion. Turmeric benefits in stimulating the gallbladder and producing bile. This helps in eliminating gaseous and bloating stomach and improves the digestion. Turmeric eliminates cancer. Consuming turmeric have got less chances of suffering from cancer. Regular usage of turmeric makes the tumors reduce. Curcumin has the capability of eliminating the growth of cancer. Also, it helps the healthy cells of the body from the radioactive harmful rays. Curcumin helps in eliminating tumors at the initial and slow developing stages. Curcumin has got several medical values for eliminating the cancer cells. Hence, the cancer cells cannot show any effect on the compound. Also, it helps in protecting from lung, bone, brain and digestive system cancers. Turmeric eliminates diabetes. Curcumin reduces the glucose levels in the blood. Hence, it helps in eliminating diabetes. Curcumin also helps in the treatment of liver diseases related to diabetes. It is also useful for improvising the glucose levels, improvising the pancreatic beta cells efficiency and reducing insulin resistance. Here are the turmeric benefits for skin. The antioxidants available in turmeric play a prominent role in improvising the skin health. This spice is also useful to treat acne and psoriasis. It also makes the skin tight in the areas where the skin has already been elastic. Let us discuss the turmeric uses for face. Here is the acne prevention tip. Make a paste with 2 teaspoons of multani matti, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of honey and a little rose water. Apply this as a face pack. Wash it off after some time. Applying this face pack 2 times a week can prevent from producing acne. This also works well for acne in the early stage. Make sure that the acne is not filled by pus. Tip for dark circles below the eyes. Add a pinch of turmeric in cream and massage around the eyes. Remove it after 2 minutes. By doing this daily, one can reduce dark circles around the eyes. Also, one can find the glow at that place. One can make turmeric face pack for different skin types. For dry skin, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coconut milk are required. Make a paste of turmeric and coconut milk and apply it as a face pack. Let that be for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it with water after the specified time. For skin with acne, 2 teaspoons of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric is required. Apply yogurt and turmeric paste as a face pack. Let that be for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it with a jet of water. This can produce good results. For oily skin, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of turmeric is required. Apply aloe vera and turmeric paste as a face pack. Let that be for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash it with a jet of water. This can make the face look fresh. Apart from turmeric, turmeric tea also helps to prevent health issues. This ranges from body infections to urinary tract infections. Preparation of turmeric tea. Take 2 cups of water. Heat the water in a container and mix turmeric powder in it. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Take the container off the stove. Take the turmeric water from the container into a glass. Add honey and a pinch of pepper. Consume the turmeric tea daily, sometime before lunch or dinner. Turmeric tea benefits include decreases the cholesterol levels, acts as a good solution for irritable bowel syndrome, helps in maintaining lung health, improves immunity. At the bottom line, turmeric has got a plethora of health benefits. It has got many medicinal values and is rich in anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antibacterial properties, etc. It is widely used in all kinds of dishes. Especially Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines use turmeric. It is a great immunity booster and a good herb to prevent Alzheimer's disease. Also, it helps in eliminating many chronic diseases. Apart from the health benefits, it is also used as a cosmetic and good for the skin. In India, applying turmeric is a tradition. Especially this is for the bride before marriage and for other similar rituals. Irrespective of having a rich tradition for turmeric, India never has got patent rights on it. In the year 1995, the USA has got patent rights on turmeric. On a lucky note, USPTO, the United States Patent and Trademark Office, has itself revoked the rights as the property belongs to India. It's India's turn to safeguard the traditional knowledge. You can find more information on the article in our website naturalcosmos.com. I am providing the URL in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel so that it boosts interest to research more on the articles. Also, please click on the bell icon so that you will get immediate notifications of my video uploads. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.